Hi Year 2. To celebrate the end of an amazing unit of learning as artists, today we are going to be colour poets. We've been so impressed by everything that you've sent in and how hard you've been working as artists at home, so we wanted to do something really fun to round off this unit. Today you are going to write sensory colour poems. Can you remember your 5 senses? I know that you looked at this a lot in year 1. You have 5 different senses. I know you know all about them. See if you can tell your hand your 5 senses now. There is the sense of hearing. You use your ears to hear. That's the sense of sound. There's the sense of sight. You use your eyes to see. You have the sense of smell. You use your nose to smell. The sense of taste. You use your tongue to taste. There are 5 different tastes. I wonder if you can remember those. And your sense of touch. Now it shows your hand. I think you can feel that all over your skin. So that's what we're going to use to write our colour poems today. We're going to think about our 5 senses. Here are some examples from children in other schools. I'm going to read them to you now. Pink. Pink is a fairy dress. Pink is my soft lips. Pink is a new fresh blossom. Pink is a colour in the rainbow. Pink is the icing on a birthday cake. Here's one about blue. Blue looks like a rolling ocean wave. Blue smells like a summertime pool. Blue sounds like a slow, sad song. Blue feels like my favourite cosy sweatshirt. Blue tastes like the snow cone that stains my tongue. And here's one about green. Green is grass in spring. Green looks like a leaf. Green sounds like the jungle. Green tastes like cucumber. Green feels like gooey slime. Green smells like rotten eggs. And green reminds me of being outside. I really like these ones. I particularly like all of the description in the poem about the colour blue. This is a poem written by someone who was in year 2 last year. And I wanted to show you it because it's such a fantastic example of what you're going to have a go at doing today. So this little girl has written about the colour purple. And she's written, what is purple? Purple is serenity. Purple looks like beautiful, bright bluebells. Purple smells like soft blowing of nature. It sounds like sweet cheeping birds. It feels like a soft, warm blanket. It tastes like sweet, juicy blueberries. And she's included loads of expanded noun phrases to add description to her sentences, which I particularly love. This is going to be the structure of our colour poems. We're going to follow a very similar structure to the one I just read. We'll start with the question, what is your colour? So you can choose any colour you like for this. And then you're going to tell me what emotion that colour is for you. So the last poem said purple is serenity, but you might write red is anger or yellow is joy. Then you're going to tell me what it looks like, smells like, sounds like, feels like, and tastes like. And I'm really hoping there are going to be some of you that can use expanded noun phrases to add description to your poem. So your first step is to plan. You all have a sheet that looks like this in your learning pack. This is the plan that goes with the purple poem. And I want you to take note of the fact that she hasn't written long sentences on her plan. She's written keywords. She's even drawn little pictures, which is a really lovely idea. And she's thought about some of her descriptive words. So she's written blanket, it feels like a blanket, and then she's added the adjectives that she might like to use. So your first step is to plan your poem. And I've had a go myself. I think I'd like to write about the colour orange. So I've just coloured a bit of orange at the top. And for me, orange feels like excitement and joy. So I've written that, just those 2 words, in the feeling box. Then I've written some of the things I think of when I think of what orange looks like. I've written fire and flames and fairy lights. You don't have to choose which one you want to write about at your planning stage. You can write all of the ideas in your head. It smells like fire maybe, and maybe some fresh fruit. Sounds like a party for sure. Orange is like a party colour for me, or a happy song. Feels like a warm sunbeam, and tastes. Now I could have just said it tastes like an orange, but I thought that would be really boring, and I don't like oranges. So I've put that orange tastes like a bursting egg yolk, that really good orange yolk of an egg bursting. That's the taste of orange for me. Now it's your go to plan your poem. So you can pause the video, and I just want you to write or draw the key ideas that come to your head for each of the sentences. Pause the video now and have a go. Okay, hopefully your plan is full of different ideas. Step 2 is to draft. This is the draft for the purple poem, and you can see that it's at this point that she started to really think about her sentences and the words she is using. What is purple? Purple is serenity. Purple looks like beautiful, bright bluebells. Purple smells like the soft blowing of nature. It sounds like the sweet cheeping birds. It feels like a soft, warm blanket. It tastes like sweet, juicy blueberries. So she's taken those ideas from her plan and turned them into amazing sentences using expanded noun phrases. I definitely think you could all use at least one expanded noun phrase in your poem, because it's something we practiced when we were being authors. I also had a go at doing a draft of my... So this is my draft for my orange poem. What is orange? Orange is joy and excitement. You can notice that I've used a question mark for my question and an exclamation mark for the fact that orange conveys joy and excitement to me. It looks like a bright flickering flame. So bright flickering flame is my expanded noun phrase. I've described the flame. Orange smells like a fresh, juicy fruit salad. Orange sounds like your favourite song at a party. Feels like a warm sunbeam touching your skin. Orange tastes like an egg yolk bursting in your mouth. So I've turned my original ideas into some sentences following the structure that we looked at the start. So now it's your turn to draft. Just like before, you can pause the video and have a go at turning your original ideas into sentences. Remember to challenge yourself to use an expanded noun phrase. And step 3 is the best step. When you have drafted your poem, we want you to publish it. You can see that this time round it's decorated, the handwriting is absolutely beautiful, and she's used a pen to write. I think it looks like she wrote in a pencil first and wrote over it in pen. You're very welcome to publish your writing with a pen once you have got your ideas written down in your draft. So this is an opportunity for you to make something look really beautiful. These words are beautiful. The language she's used to describe the colour purple is amazing. And she's done beautiful decorations around the outside to suit her beautiful words. So this is your chance now to create something really lovely. And of course, we would love nothing more than for you to send in your colour poems for us to see. I really can't wait to see them. Have a happy morning being colour poets, and we'll see you later. Bye, Yeti.